Lighting the hot water tank. The hot water tank on this vehicle is a pilot light system, so you need to light the pilot light, and once it's lit, it should stay lit for the duration. So the water heater is behind this panel on the passenger side below the fridge. This is the fridge panel. Fridge, you can actually hear the propane going on there now. So turn this little dial to line up with the keyhole. Open it up and there's the guts. So the lighting place is actually down here underneath this, right in back of here. So if you look at a side view of this, I'm not sure it'll show up on the video, so I did a little drawing. It looks like this. This is a side view of it. So if you look back at thing, there's this is the side. There's two little brass fittings that are coming out of the back. The bottom one is sort of silver colored. This one is a brass colored or copper colored. And where we want to light or hold the lighter or igniter is right around here, right around the junction where these two join. So we're going to do that now. And I'm going to have to enlist Nicole's help here because I'm going to need 3 hands, other words. So this is the temperature control for the hot water. Right now it's set to medium. This gets it plenty hot. You should be able to get some showers out of that. This button here controls the pilot light turns on, and once the pilot light stays lit, you're going to turn it to the on position. So to push it down and rotate it, once it's in the on position, you'll see this thing is going to burst to life. So to light this, we need to actually put it in pilot for now, and I'm going to get Nicole to hold it, the phone, and I'm going to get my igniter. I need to push and hold down the pilot light when I'm ready to go. So I'm going to get my push down and hold it, and then there we go. You can hear it going. So that was easy. And I wait for it to. Okay, so when I lift up on this button, it stayed lit. So you can hear it going. See a little blue flame, I think, right in here from that the bottom tube right in the corner. There it is. Yeah, and you can hear it. Now that's the pilot light, so I'm going to actually, watch out, it doesn't blow up on you. I'm going to turn my button here from pilot light to on. And now the hot water bursts to life, and there's a big blue flame shooting in down that tunnel behind there. And you should have hot water in about 15 minutes. The recovery rate on this tank is pretty quick. You can, from cold to hot, and I think it's about 15 minutes. And the way the hot water actually works is when the hot water tank is hot, it will shut off and stop heating. But as you run hot water, the hot water runs out of the tank, new cold water flows in to keep it full. And so as time goes by, the water is getting cooler and cooler and cooler in the tank. So even though you have 6 gallons of hot water, you won't be able to pour 6 gallons out of it and have it all the same temperature. It's going to be getting cooler. It's just like your system at home. However, because the recovery rate is pretty fast, you should have no trouble having comfortable showers. That's it for the hot water. The lid closes back up. Goes through the key here. And this little button here, you kind of have to tug it towards you a little bit and rotate it and push it down. And to see whether or not, say you get up in the morning, you want to know whether or not you have hot water. If you're outside, you can just put your hand right here. It should be warm. That's it.